Hi there, everybody. I'm Kimberlee from Back Office Diva. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool tool that just came out in Chrome browser. So if you use Chrome, you definitely want to check this out. So here's the situation. Let's say somebody asks you for specific information that you know is on a particular website. But instead of just sending them the website and writing this long email telling them where on the website they can find that information, this is what you do instead. So I'm going to show you real time. So let's say your friend happens to be interested in getting a virtual assistant, and they ask you, well, what services does Kimberlee offer? So you just go over to backofficediva.com. And you say, oh, well, here's an overview right here. So what you do is you put your cursor here and see where my cursor is highlighting these bullet points. Okay. So this is what you want to draw your friend's attention to. And what you do in order to do that is right click after highlighting is to right click on it and then check out this new feature right here. It says copy link to highlight. I think that sounds a little cryptic. It's not very intuitive, but what it means is it's going to copy the highlighted part and include it in the link. So I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. So click here. Then you go over to your email account and you say, let's say I'm going to send it to myself. Okay. And info on VAs. Kimberlee. Okay. Here's the info I promised. Of course, you can write whatever you want on Kimberlee. Check out the highlighted section. And you just do a control paste and send. Now I've got to move myself out of the way to send it. Here we go. Sending. There it is. Let's open it up. Here's the info I promised on Kimberlee. Check out the highlighted section. Again, you write whatever you want in the body of your email, but watch this. You click on that, and there it is. It's highlighted right here. Isn't that cool? I love this feature. So I think that it can really help with saving time and responding to somebody very quickly and saying, here's the information you want. Just look for the highlights in the attached link. Okay, so check it out. Again, it's only in Chrome so far. So check it out, play with it, and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.